Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, sky blue color, black color, green color, and dark blue color. It's now you draw alphabets and first you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. It's now you draw F, the alphabets of F, and use yellow color. Yellow color. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J, the alphabets of J, and use sky blue color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. And N for nest. It's now you draw O, the alphabets of O, and use black color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U, the alphabets of U, and use green color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. It's now you draw X, the alphabets of X, and use the blue color. X for the telephone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1 and use red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's now you draw 6, the numbers of 6, and use yellow color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.